palace says it respects the Senate conduct of an inquiry into the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte, even if it is being led by Senator Amy Marcos, the president's own sister. The palace also stressed that this move demonstrates the government's willingness to address any questions from relevant authorities and reiterated its confidence that government's decision to turn over the former chief executive to the International Criminal Court, or ICC, was carried out in accordance with the law. PTV's Kenneth Paciente tells us more.
The palace respects the Senate hearing on the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte, led by no less than the president's own sister, Senator Amy Marcos. According to Presidential Communications Office or PCO Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Attorney Claire Castro, the president does not oppose such hearings. She also added this is proof the government is ready to respond to any questions from the authorities.
Kapag ka po kasi nagtatago, ayaw makipag-usap, lahat ng mga officers niya ay sasabihin walang alam, mas lalo tayong magpapakita na na may tinatago tayo. So yung mga dating nagagawa noon, panahon, na hindi pinapapunta ang mga cabinet members pag pinapatawag sa Senado, hindi po yan gagawin ng Pangulo. Para lamang po tayo sa katotohanan at maipakita kung ano ba ang ginawa natin ng naaayon sa batas.
The palace also reiterated its confidence the administration's actions to turn over the former president to the International Criminal Court or ICC were in accordance with the law. And they clarified this does not mean the Philippines agrees to be a province or subject of another country. This is something the government is allegedly implying after surrendering the former president to the ICC, according to Senator Amy Marcos.
Hindi po natin ninais na maging probinsya ng kahit anuman dahil po tayo ay isang independent country. Hindi po natin ninais na maging probinsya din po ng Fujian, China. Never natin inisip yan na maging probinsya tayo ng anumang bansa. Nagpapatupad lamang po tayo ng batas. Kahit po sa panahon ngayon ni Pangulong Marcos, hindi natin sinusuko ang anumang karapatan natin sa West Philippine Sea. Siguro doon naman po makikita natin na hindi po tayo, hindi natin ibibigay ang anumang karapatan natin kahit kanino man.
In response to the statement of Senator Bato de la Rosa that he would go into hiding if an arrest warrant was issued against him, the palace questioned whether this is the example the former head of the PNP wants to set for the police force and the people.
Hindi po ito makakabuti sa mga kababayan natin na mismong leader natin ay hindi haharapin ang anumang kaso o complaint na naisampa o maisasampa laban sa kanya. At hindi po ba sabi natin, parang siya nga yata ang medyo umiwan kay dating Pangulong Duterte considering na hindi siya pumunta sa Hong Kong kasama sa nila. Hindi po ba dapat ang kaibigan ay walang iwanan?
The President has also spoken with Solicitor General Menardo Guevara following the OSG's decision not to represent the government in the writ of habeas corpus petition filed by the children of the former President. The Chief Executive remains confident in the Solicitor General.
Sinasabi niya po na hindi naman po nawawala ang kanyang tiwala kay Solgen Menardo Guevara. Nung tinanong ko po siya kung magre-resign po si Solgen, ang sabi niya, hindi ko hinihingi ang pagre-resign niya.
From PTV Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pambansa.